Looking for the best snap ring pliers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 snap ring pliers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Channellock, RT3 Convertible Retaining Ring Plier Set, 3-piece set. Set includes 3 sizes of pliers, 6.25 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches. Includes interchangeable tips. Can switch from internal to external snap ring pliers at just the flip of a switch. Comfortable and stylish blue handles. If you are looking for a solid set by a brand that is synonymous with quality, this is it. The locks can be hard to maneuver when you change the tips, but once in place the tools won't disappoint. At number 2. Lang Tools, 12-piece fixed tip combination internal/external snap ring pliers set. A large set packed with the most popular sizes ranging from 0.038 inches to 0.090 inches. Designed with a knurled center screw for easy adjustment. Handles are easy to grip. The rugged case has individual slots to keep the tools organized. This kit includes 12 versatile snap ring pliers in a durable case that have a lot to offer in the way of value. Some reports of issues with the tips, including bends and misalignments. At number 1. KNIPEX, 8-piece precision circlip snap ring pliers set. An 8-piece set with 4 internal and 4 external pliers with precision tips that are built to hold up to tough jobs. Heavy-duty spring steel tips increase longevity of tools. Pliers have a durable feel in the hand. A sizable set of snap ring pliers with spectacular craftsmanship. Tips are too large for some tasks and tight spaces. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.